Look, there's glass everywhere, and there's just, and then the living room. I mean, the living room's not that bad. And then her room, she's like worried about her room. She's like, oh my room. And I was like, oh, your kitchen is fucked. Do you see that? And then there's a car accident on the highway, which is like the people like we go to school, so they were like helping her. And then we were stuck there for a little bit. And then oh my god, your TV. Did your TV fall?
Yeah.
I don't think you guys don't have it bad as Eagle River. Eagle River is like fucked. Like the power, like well, I mean that's like everywhere, but all the stoplights are out, and like we had to like, it was crazy when driving.
There's like big cracks in the road and
there's
shit.
like cracks in the road, and there's like. Hell no, bitch. What?
That's right. Trying to close the windows because the windows freaking. I'm receiving messages, but I can't send them. The windows freaking open themselves. I'm gonna just make a little vlog. We haven't had a power for hours. Rhymed. Fucking sucks. Cleaning up everything. No power. No data. Just cleaning stuff and waiting for the next earthquake. At least school's canceled. Bruh, Alaska's like, fuck you. Let's just shake up all your shit and knock everything over and break all your glass. Fucking annoying. Literally everything fell out. And into the sink. Why? 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 Nobody fucking asked. Nobody asked for this. It just happened. Like, it just fucking happened. You start the day all normal, and all of a sudden it's like, we're dying! The scariest part about all this shit is that, like, there's a high chance it might happen again. And, like, in the first place, it happening in the first place was fucking scary. So, kind of don't want to go through that again. Like, I panic every time I hear, like, a tiny little rumble. Oh, that's gonna fucking scar me for life. Every time I hear a rumble now, I'm just gonna be like, oh, I'm gonna die. You know, I always thought when there's an earthquake, that's the least scary thing that can happen to you. But it's fucking scary, because you're like, wow, fucking roof's gonna fall on me and I'm gonna die. Because you see the walls just waving around. I'm gonna pack a blanket. We have a safety bag just in case it happens again. So I'll keep my phone on me so I can record if it happens again. See if I could catch something. Update. Trying to open my garage. Hopefully it does. I hope it will. I mean, I know it will. Oh fuck, actually I think it won't. Huh. Maybe that's why. Oh shit, it's off the rails. Oh shit. Well, looks like you're stuck in here for a while.
Try to turn it off and on again, maybe the screen might get better.
So I was in so much shock, prioritizing everything after the earthquake. I never really recorded anything, or talked about my experience. So I'm just gonna talk about it, just so, like, you know, memories, whatever. Anyways, so it started off as a normal day. I was like, I'm gonna go to school, ask my math teacher for help on this freaking homework, and just, like, have a normal day. Like, I didn't have anything like special planned except for like hang out with my boyfriend later. Anyways, so I'm in the freaking lunchroom chilling, and then all of a sudden it starts shaking. I'm like, whoa, this is a cool earthquake, it's really big. Then I started seeing this ceiling fall, so I was like, oh, okay, I guess we're gonna die now. So I got under the table and literally prepared myself for death. Like, I just was like, okay, well, this is how I'm dying. Like, it was scary. And then as soon as it stopped, it was super dusty. We couldn't see or breathe or anything. Fucking fire alarms start going off. Everyone's screaming and running out, like shaking, like in shock. We're like, what the fuck? Like, we all just almost died. Anyways, that night, after recording all this, like, every little shake, I sat up and tried to grab that bag that I prepped. And, yeah, I was very scared. Everybody was. Like, nobody really slept well, like, the first night. And then it even prolonged, like, throughout the week. And, like, every single aftershock, like, I even freak out still. And I'm editing this, like, a month and a half later. So, that was freaking dramatic. What else is there to talk about? Dang. Reliving the earthquake. Oh, these are memes I found, by the way. Just memes about the earthquake, I guess. Last one. This one's really true. Check this out. Me finally relaxing. Aftershock. Boom. It's 3 a.m. I need to get off my phone and go to sleep. I have work in the morning. Fuck.